Yo, good day ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another unboxing of a product. And I'm not going to waste time at all. Let's open the box. Okay, that's not the product. This is the product. This is the Rode Wireless Go 2. It's a dual channel wireless microphone system. This is the second generation, and that's why it's called Go 2. Another reason why it's called Go 2 is because it has two wireless microphones and a transmitter. Okay, without much ado, let's open the box. Ooh, okay, here we go. Let's leave that aside. What's in the box? It's empty. Okay, we got a very fluffy pouch to put the content in. It's very handy. Put that aside. And the product itself, oh, nice. They come arranged in that manner. Hope you can all see. Okay, it's got a dead cat. It's got 3 dead cats. 1 dead cat, 1 dead cat, 2 dead cats, the 3rd dead cat. We have the desiccant to prevent moisture. We don't need that. Okay, and we have the 3 items snugly packed tightly in that cardboard. Okay. Okay, let's go and unpack them. We're going to unpack. Which one do we unpack first? All right. This is the transmitter. So tiny, so small. It's got a type USB type C there. It's got the logo or the name on it. That's the transmitter. And the way I know it's the transmitter is because it doesn't have a microphone on top. Okay, transmitter. And this is the first wireless microphone. On top of it, it's got the microphone on it. Okay, and the last one is the second microphone, wireless microphone. It's got the microphone just on the top, and this becomes useless under rubbish. And okay, let's go back to the packet. Apparently, it's a dual wireless microphone, as we have mentioned earlier on. It's got a 3.5 jack and a USB type C and an iOS audio output in case you want to record on your phone. Built-in microphone, which is here. That means you do not have to connect anything, just clip it. It's got very snugly clip there. You just clip it onto your dress and you just start talking. It's got the microphone on top there. And the good thing is you can just click one of those dead cats if it's very windy where you are recording, and it becomes something like that. And you just will not hear the wind noise any longer. Okay, that's one. Now I'm going to remove all these plastic things. Oh, not finished unpacking yet. We have the cables. Let's see what's in the package. Okay. So here we have a user manual. We've got 3 USB type C in the packet, one for each for charging, or if you want to connect it to your phone or your camera, but it has to be a Type C. But do not worry, if you don't have a Type C, there is a 3.5 microphone jack in the box, which you can use. Very handy. Okay, I think that's what it is. That's all. So we're going to remove the plastic. That's one down. Plastic number one down. Plastic number two down. Plastic number three down. Okay, let's see if they've got any charge in them. At the moment, we're going to start with the transmitter, which is this one here. It's got an on button somewhere. Let's discover it together, which is right on top here. You can't miss it. You give it a push, see what happens. Oh, it's got some blue light coming in. Okay, it's looking for the microphones now. Okay, microphone switching on now. Okay, one, and the second one too. On. Okay. Testing, testing. I don't know if you can see this clearly. You can see the audio indicator on the transmitter moving as I speak. Testing, testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. That is the first microphone. Second microphone. Testing, testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. This is very handy in that on the transmitter, the informations you have are the 2 channels audio levels. You can see them and you can adjust them to your level, and then you find the battery levels for the 3 products: the transmitter, microphone 1 and microphone 2. They have a battery level, and you can find the level of contact, how they transmit, the level of transmission is all on the indicator as well. And you can increase or decrease the brightness of this little screen. The good thing is that they can be charged using the Type C. That goes into the Type C at the back of here, and that goes into the USB power, and it charges up. I've been told that this it's a very long range wireless microphone system. It goes over 200 meters without any block. Walls, trees, mountains, valleys, but it's apparently it's really a good system. I will come up with another. Just before we go, the 3.5 jack goes into here. If you want to connect it, if you do not want to connect it wirelessly, if you want to connect it directly to your camera system, that goes into there, and that goes into your camera system, and it becomes a wired transmitter if you want. But I don't know why you want a wired transmitter when you can have it wireless, unless your camera system doesn't have the 3.5 jack. That's when the wireless part of it becomes very functional. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is the unboxing and the switching on of these 3 little beauties. And they look very tiny. I expected them to be bigger than this, but they can just clip on any surface. Just clip it on. It's got a surface. It's got a clip there, just like that, and you start talking. You can, if you want, you can even clip it inside your shirt to make it invincible. I can see the battery light flashing. That means it's time to charge them. And we do that, and we do a field test in our next edition. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.